Good morning, student. How are you? Fine. I hope you are well in your home and also doing your work on time. Is it correct? I wish you do your work well and also follow the good habits that is secure you for the COVID-19 disease. Okay, student. Now I welcome you to in your online class. Now, student, we continue our work in this work. What we do today? We continue our chapter number 16. What is the name of the chapter? Clean water. But before that, we quick revise something that is related to this chapter. Okay, whatever I explain you about this chapter, student, this chapter related to your water that is very essential for us, also the plant and for the animals. And what is the importance of the water? That thing I also explained you in the last lecture. Means how the water functioning for the animals, how the water works for the human beings, and how the plants use water for the some process that is going into the plant. Clear? How the water used for the human beings use water for many purpose. Means each and every work we cannot do without the water. Human beings, I am talking here about the human beings. हम पानी कैसे यूज करते हैं human beings? From the morning to go to bed, means whole day we use water. How we use water? That thing I also explained you. Now, how the plants use water? Plants absorb the water from the soil and also use that water each and every part of the trees and plant. Clear? Now, after that, how the animals use water? Animals use water for the drinking. Same way, the human beings use water for the different purpose, but the animals use water for the drinking. And through that, they cool their body. Clear? Now, after that, we discuss about the clean water. What is the meaning of the clean water? The water comes on the earth in the form of rain and collected into the different water bodies. And human beings use that water for the different purpose. Now, for the drinking, only 1% of the water, that is the underground water, is suitable for the drinking. But that those water present in the surface, means जो surface पर होता है, in the form of pond, lake, river, these water also suitable for the drinking. But before that, we do some treatment of that water. For the treatment, we send this water to the water treatment plant. In this plant, some process going there. What is the process? Filtration. After that, we left this water in front of the sun rays for the killing germs and bacteria. After that, we mix in this water some chlorine for the to kill the small insects and small germs. Clear? So this process going into the water treatment plant. Why we do the treatment of the treatment of the water? To kill germs and some dust particles that is present in the water, to remove them. Removing dirt and dust particle and for killing the germs. We do some treatment with the water in the water treatment plant. Clear? This after that I explain you about the decantation and filtration. In decantation process, we remove some hard particles that is mixes in the water. We remove them through this process, and with the filtration, we filter the water and remove the hard particles, stone, sand particles, means we remove from the water. After that, in the page number 109, something given, we start our chapter from the 109. 109. Page number 109. What is given on this page? Storing water. This heading given is storing water. What is the meaning of the water? We use water for the different purpose, for the drinking, for the cleaning, washing. Some instructions given here. So, you keep your book in your hand. Open the page number 109. 109. Open this page. 109. And in this chapter, read the heading, storing water. We should always use a clean container to store water. Means which types of container we have to use for the storing water. Because why we use container for storing the water? Because the water found in the nature. In which form? Liquid form. For the liquid form, we want some container. And which types of container? Clean water. If you store drinking water, to use the clean utensil and clean container for that. We should, second point, we should keep the container covered. If you fill the container with water, after that you have to cover that container. Why we cover that container? क्यों ढक्का रखना चाहिए पानी को? Because dust particles and dirt particle mixes in that water. So, for the some precaution, we cover the water. Germs not enter there, any insect not enter there. For that, we cover the water. Now, the third point, the container used for storing must be washed regularly and dried from time to time. Means if you fill water in any container, after 1 day you have to clean them. Pour the water, that water into the other container, in other clean container, and wash that container. Clean that container and wash it and dry it. And after that, next day we have to use that. Same thing your mummy doing at home. See the activity of your mother. Clear? Now, the next point. Saving water. What is the meaning of the saving water? Saving means water we use for the different purpose. But we don't use the quantity of the water according to our use, not for the waste. Clear? Means you want 1 glass of water for the use. You use 1 glass, not 2 glass, because that is the wastage of the water. Suppose if you are doing any activity or any washing work, suppose you wash your car, so you have to wash your car in the any garden or any other area. So that water should used by the grass or any plant. Suppose you are washing your clothes, so you have to use that water for the cleaning of the house or toilet or your car. Clear? Means Not use water for only one work. That water you have to use for the some other work. Clear? After the using that water. Saving water. Next heading. Saving water. Means how we save the water. Water is precious. We should not waste it. We can save water by many ways. Means these some points here given how we should save the water. 1. Take only as much water as it is required. Means according to your requirement you have to use water. जितनी आवश्यकता हो उतना ही पानी यूज करेंगे. Now the second point, taps should not be left open in the bathroom. Suppose in your home any tap is leakage, or if you use water and not turn off the tap properly, so continuously water flows from the tap, and this is the wastage of the water. Means after the using the water you have to turn off the tap properly. Clear? Use a bucket. Third point, use a bucket and a mug to have bath. Avoid using shower. Why you don't use shower? Because when we use shower it wastes the water. If we use bucket and mug, so we should store the water or save the water, because according to our requirement we use water. जितना होगा उतने ही मग्गे से डालेंगे ना. बट इफ यू यूज शावर, तो शावर कंटिन्यूसली फ्लोस. शावर तो कंटिन्यूसली चलता है ना, तो इट इज द वेस्टेज ऑफ द वाटर. सो वी शुड अवॉइड द शावर. नाउ द फोर्थ पॉइंट, never keep the tap open while brushing your teeth. Never keep the tap open while brushing your teeth. Means when you brush your teeth, that time you don't turn on the tap. After the brushing, when you want to clean your brush and you clean your mouth, that time you have to turn on the tap. Not when you brush your teeth, that time you turn on the fan and continuously doing brush like this, and turn the tap is already on. So this is the wastage of the water. Clear? Now the fifth number, get the leaking taps and pipes repaired. Means any pipe is leakage in your home, any tap is not functioning properly, so you have to change them and repair them. After that, sixth point, throw the leftover water of your bottle in the plants of water them. Means this thing we also start in our school. Your senior, your principal sir and other teachers also say you, when you go to home, that time you pour your water of your water bottle into the plant. And this thing you are doing in the school. ये आपने स्कूल में किया है कि घर जाते समय जो पानी बचा है बॉटल का वो आप प्लांट्स में डाल दो. This instruction given by the sir. If you remember that thing, recall that this instruction given by the school means you whole time you use your water bottle for the drinking. After that, when you go to home, so when you leave the main gate of the school, after that the garden is there, so you have to pour that water in the plants. So this is the not wastage of the water, means you watering the plant. Clear? This is the saving of the water, क्योंकि घर पे जाके तो आप उस बॉटल का पानी फेंक दोगे. Now the seventh point, use a bucket and a mug to wash your car. When you wash your car or any vehicle, so that time you use mug and bucket, not use any pipe. Clear? Now Next, eighth number. Water left after washing can be used for mopping the floor. Means if you wash your cloth or wash any other thing, तो use that water for the mopping. Means अगर आप घर में कपड़े धोते हो तो उस पानी का यूज बाद में आप पोछा लगाने को कर सकते हो. Mopping means पोछा लगाना. Clear? This is the ways you have to follow that ways and save the water. Clear? After that, one paragraph given here and see the red color writing. Rain water harvesting. This thing given. Rain water harvesting. What is the meaning of the rain water harvesting? This is a simple plan to store rain water. When rain comes on the earth, that time water collected on the roof of the house. We should use that water for the different purpose and recharge our tube wells. When you want to recharge your tube well, you use this water harvesting system. Through the water harvesting system, you recharge your tube wells and also store the rain water in the house. What is going in this process? I want to show you through the diagram. Water harvesting system. Water harvesting system. This is a simple picture of the house. This is the roof of the house. Now, when rain comes on the roof, this is the rain. Okay, this is the rain. Now, in this process, when rain on the earth, the water collected on the roof of the house. Now, through the pipe, we send this water into the underground, and any tank is there or not any tank is there. So any tube well in your house, so this water automatically going to the inside the ground and store there, collected there this water. So automatically the tube well will recharge. If you put here any tank inside the ground, so the water of the roof comes down through this pipe and store here. Okay, so this is the water harvesting system. Through the water harvesting system, we store the water, rain water for the different purpose. So this is the rain harvesting system. When the rain comes and the water store on the roof of the house, through the pipe they send this water in the underground tank, and after the sometimes we have to use that water for the different purpose. Clear? Now we read this paragraph. One of the most important way to conserve water is rain water harvesting. The rainfall on the roof is collected into underground storage tanks. Used pits are well and it is stored for later use. It can be used for watering plants, washing clothes and other household activities. Means through the water harvesting we store the rainwater in our house. How it is possible for us? Water rainwater comes on the roof of the house. Now water collected here. Through the pipe we send this water underground the earth. Why we use this process? For saving water. Because what if we make this system in our house? So we send the rain water automatically underground the earth, and this water, if this water is stored in underground the earth, so this is the best source of the underground water, because underground water is the main source of the drinking water. Clear? Surface water, if we use surface water for the drinking, so we do some treatment of that plant, but underground water is the pure water. We pour that water from the ground and use for the drinking. Clear? So, after that, one paragraph also given here, recycling of water. Recycling Recycling of water is another method by which we can save water. Used water from factories and houses, it is sent for cleaning. It is the pumped into the sea or returned to a river. This river water is again taken out and used. Means water that is used in the industries, in the factories, it is after the using this water throw in the river. This water is fully mixed with chemicals, because if any production doing by any industry, they use chemicals. So the water that is fully mixed with chemicals throw in the rivers and ponds and sea water, so automatically it make the water dirty. If we send this water through the pipe in the other place, in the water treatment plant, so we again clean that water for the use. Clear? Means after some cleaning process, we have to use that water different purpose, in the different purpose. Clear? So this is the recycling. Means one time we use water, after some treatment, again we use this water. This is the recycling. Clear? Now, safe handling of drinking water. Safe handling of drinking water means how we should cure our drinking water. This thing given here. To keep the diseases at bay, we should practice the following golden rules. Always drink clean water. Use clean hand and clean utensils to take out water from the container. Do not put hand into the water. Means how we should take care of the drinking water. How we use? How do we use? When you want to drink water, that time first you clean your hand. After that you touch the utensil. Now if you want to pour the water from the container से पानी निकालना है, तो that time you use clean utensil for that, and also don't put your hand into the water. Means पानी में हाथ डुबाकर पानी नहीं भरना है हमें. For that you use some utensils. Clear? Now open the page number 110. 2 points also given here. Use a clean tumbler to drink water. Clean the containers every day. Means you store your drinking water in any container. You should wash that container regularly. Daily you have to wash that container, and after that you have to fill the drinking water in that container. Clear? So this thing given in this chapter. Now your explanation part is over here. But once again we quick revise whatever I explained you in this lecture. Today we will discuss about the storing water. How we should store the water. For the storing water, first and most important thing, we use a clean container for the storing. After that, cover that container. Third thing, we use that container only one day. Next day we have to use another container and wash that container. Clear? Means regularly you have to wash the container. Clear? This is the storing of the water. These are the rules. Clear? Now after this saving water, how we should save the water? So some points given here. What is given? You use only as much water as it required. Means जितनी जरूरत हो उतना ही पानी यूज करना है. Second point, taps should not be left open. Means when you want to use the water, that time you have to turn on the tap. When you brush your teeth, that time only brush your teeth. Don't open the tap. Clear? When you want to clean your face, when you want to wash your hands, that time you have to turn on the tap. Otherwise you turn on the tap and after that you use hand wash, and then after the sometimes you wash your hand. Means that time you misuse the water, you waste the water. Clear? After that when you take a bath, that time you use bucket and mug and avoid the shower. After that, if any pipe or any tap is leakage, you have to repair that. Clear? After that, throw the over water of your bottle in the plants for the watering. Means when you bring any bottle of any place, after the drinking, if any water left in your bottle, so you should watering the plant, and don't throw the water on the ground. And most important, we use rainwater also for the some process, that is the rainwater harvesting process. Through this process we send that water automatically inside the ground. Clear? Through that process, water harvesting process. Now after time recycling, means one time we use water, after the some treatment again we use that water in the garden, watering the gardens or parks, or washing the cars for the cleaning. Now this is the recycling of the water. Now the safe handling of drinking water, means if you use drinking water, so how you use that water? If you fill the container with clean water, and after the sometimes if you want to drink water, so you put your hands inside that container, automatically that water become dirty. So for that we follow some rules. Use clean and neat utensil for the drinking water. After that, do not put your hand inside the container. Now regularly you have to wash that container. Then use a clean tumbler to drinking water. These are the some rules. मम्मी बोलती है ना मटके में हाथ मत डालना. Why your mummy say that thing? Means mummy store the clean water for you. If you put your hands inside the container, automatically your water become dirty. So these are the rules. छोटे बच्चों को पानी नहीं भर के पीने देते ना, मम्मी भर के देती है. क्यों? क्योंकि उस पानी को साफ रखना है, पीने के पानी को. Clear? So this is the explanation part of this chapter, clean water. In this chapter we will discuss about the water treatment plant, what is the main source of the plant, how the water become dirty, which activity make water dirty. Now after that, what is the processes and how we store the water. Now how do we save the water. After that, recycling of the water. This thing given in this chapter, and I explain you about that. And I hope you understand, because your chapter number 15 and chapter number 16 related to water. Clear, student? Now if you have any doubt related to this chapter, you make a call to me and also shout out your doubts, because I explained the whole chapter and also I read the chapter in front of you, and I hope you are continuously doing your writing and reading work at home. Clear? Because if you not read the chapter, you don't understand anything. I explain you things, but if you read the chapter again, so you automatically recall all the things what is I am saying in this lecture. So for the recalling, you have to read the chapter at home, in front of your mummy, in front of your anybody of your house member. Read the chapter, and any doubt, call me. Okay, student? Now our explanation over here. I hope you understand all the things, and in the next lecture we complete our book exercise and new words of this chapter. Now I hope you read the chapter at home and complete your writing work. Clear, student? I finish my lecture here. I hope you are doing well and take care of yourself. Eat healthy, अच्छा खूब खाना खाओ, drink plenty of water. Clear, student? And I hope you have no doubt related to any chapter. If you have doubt, call me. Okay? Bye.